Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share Canva designs on WhatsApp. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Canva design you want to share and open it. This could be anything from a social media post, presentation, flyer, or any other design you've created. Once your design is open and ready, you're all set to share it with others. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. This button is your gateway to all of Canva's sharing options and allows you to control exactly how others can interact with your design. Clicking it will open up a sharing menu with several different options for distributing your work. Now you'll see an access level drop-down menu. Click on it and select anyone with the link from the options. This setting is important because it determines who can access your design. By choosing anyone with the link, you're making it possible for anyone who receives the link to view your design even if they don't have a Canva account. This makes sharing quick and hassle-free, especially when sending to people who might not be familiar with Canva. Right below that, you'll notice a permissions drop-down menu. Click on it and select View if you only want people to open and look at the design without making any changes. This is perfect when you want to share your work for feedback or approval, but don't want anyone accidentally editing or altering your original design. It keeps your design safe while still allowing others to see exactly what you've created. After you've set your permissions, click the Copy Link button. This will automatically copy the shareable link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need. The link serves as a direct pathway to your design, and anyone who clicks it will be able to view it instantly in their browser. Now open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Navigate to the chat or group where you want to send the design. Once you're in the right conversation, simply paste the link you copied from Canva into the message box and hit send. The person or group will receive the link and can click on it to view your Canva design right away. And that's it. You've now shared your Canva design on WhatsApp, giving others quick and easy access to view your work. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.